Apple being Apple may have brought some excitement after their September the 10th, 2024 event, promising the long-anticipated launch of the iPhone 16 series. Let's explore if it's worth all the hype, shall we? Soon, the iPhone 16 series will be available to order, but should you? Let's focus on the features and changes that are worth looking forward to in the iPhone 16 series to see if it's worth the switch and upgrade from your trusty older generation iPhone. I want to let you in on a little secret that could make your new relationship with the new iPhone that much better, if you do so choose to take the plunge. As an expert in iPhone data transfer, MobileTrans has also launched a new version that is compatible with the latest iOS 18 system and iPhone 16 series. Whether your old iPhone is Android or Apple, the latest version will support one-click transfer of personal data or WhatsApp data from your old iPhone to the iPhone 16. Easy peasy. To celebrate the release of the new version of MobileTrans, there will be a discount of up to 70%. A sale from September to October. You can find out more in the link within the video description below. At the same time, we will be launching an epic event to give away 3 iPhone 16 Pros, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Turn notifications on and stay tuned. We will explain how to participate in the giveaway at the end of this video. Now, onto the iPhone 16 lineup that you've been waiting for. The new iPhone introduces a revolutionary capture button with force sensing technology, enabling users to control camera functions like focus and shooting with varying pressure levels and gestures, while the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models are set to feature a new 5x zoom telephoto lens and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide sensor for enhanced full-resolution shooting and image quality. If you're one to judge a phone by its cover, then the rumours that the iPhone 16 series is to debut in fresh colour options, including a deep warm brown called Desert Titanium, offering a unique aesthetic compared to previous models. It will make your toes curl. That's the brief scoop on the iPhone. Now for a drum roll, please. To participate in our amazing giveaway with 3 iPhones, as a gift to you, all you need to do is subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts on the new iPhone. Will you jump over to the iPhone 16 lineup? If not, do you have any other options to recommend? Drop a comment below. We will randomly select 3 winners on 31st of October and give away 3 iPhone 16 Pros. Boy, don't I wish I could be eligible too. But I want you to win. Cross your toes and your fingers. And again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our new videos in this series. We'll see you on the next one.